Okay, this is stock number 10-54K. This is a 2008 Jeep Patriot. This is the four-wheel drive 2.4. Just got it running. Looks like the motor in this thing is actually pretty good. No knocks or smoke or anything. A little bit of condensation smoke, but there's no fluid transfer or anything else like that. No oil burning. It doesn't smell sweet. All the fluids are up there. Got a whole bunch of lights on, but not a check engine light. You can see right there, the bags went off on this thing, and it got tagged pretty good. I cannot test the transmission just because the driver's side wheel is all messed up. Let's see if I can get mileage to pop up here. Yeah, 181,508 for mileage, so it's a little up there. But the axle got ripped out because the wheel's all messed up, so I can't test the transmission, which kind of stinks. It's a CVT in this thing, so that would have been nice to know. But I can throw it in with a check for damage, I guess. Really no other damage except from the accident, and a little bit of rust on the quarters. It's starting to rot out already. But motor at least looks good. Looks really good.